Hello, in this video I want to show you how you can use the brush and go options in the sorcery sauce. Um, the first step is run the number 5, which is first step 1. So after running this step, you're gonna see a new and empty layer and your brush will be automatically selected. All you need to do is be sure to you have 100% opacity and flow and just paint in the places where you want to fill your backdrop. In this case I'm gonna do something like this. You maybe want to be more precise, and after painting the places you want to fill, all you need to do is select the step 2 and run it. And now we need to wait and let's see what happened. Don't worry if when you watch the result you see a different name in the group. That's okay. It's because that's the final step of the action. It's running and the number 9. Okay, it's done, and as you can see, our background it's filled and pretty soft. So that's all. This is all you need to do. Okay, thank you very much and see you in the next video. Bye bye.